everybody, and welcome to Unboxing My Future. And today I have another unboxing for you. In this package is from Bullion. It should be about 12 ounces of silver bullion in this package. And this package is from Apmex, and it should be about 5 more ounces of silver bullion in this package here. I got some really cool stuff. I think I got a few good deals, and then some, I don't know if I got a good deal or not, but I just really wanted some of these coins in here, and so I bought them anyway. Let's just get right into it. I'll just start with this one, since this one has the most in it. I think I got a few things. I got some capsules as well, I believe. So, it should be a good package in here, and I don't want to cut up any of the silver. Nice tight packaging. It doesn't look, you wouldn't think that silver is in here. And we're gonna, now see, some people, I don't know, some people don't like this, but me personally, I do like it. Seeing as though, you do spend quite a bit of money on silver, right? You want it to have good packaging, and I'll just make sure, let's see. Nothing but paper there. Let's throw that out. We do have some silver here. Nothing else in the box. Okay, let's see. Now this one should have a ton of different, I already see some gilded coins there. Here's some of the capsules I ordered. We'll set those to the side. Make sure I got the paperwork out here. Okay. More capsules. Okay, nice. Let's just get all this out here. Okay, we got a bunch of different stuff, and I'm going to go through all of it as quick as I can. I know I did ordered three American Eagles in this package as well, just to add on to my stack. Just trying to stack up 20. I think I'm at 16 or so now. And so I do have that in here. I bought some 2-ounce coins. That'll be my first time getting some of those, but I did buy some 2-ounce coins. So starting off, let's just start off real light. This is American Eagle. American Eagle there. I bought 3 of these. Okay, let's just get it out of the package as well. I'll just only show this one. And the year is 2020. All of those are going to be 2020s. Let's see. We'll get this in a package here and save some time. I'll do this later off the camera, but there you go. 2020 American Eagle. I got 3 of those. 2 more just like it. I believe I'm at 16 now. So let's keep it going. Okay, this one here, let's just go right into it. Okay, I'll let you have a look. Make sure we get a good picture of it. This one here is African Wildlife Elephant, 1 ounce, 9999, fine silver, gilded with gold. And if you see here, Somalia Republic, 100 shillings. Now this is one of the coins I said I don't know if I really got a good deal on this, but I just had to have it, so I'm not gonna say what I paid for it, but I think I got a good deal. And look at it, really good coin. Beautiful. I've also got a Canadian maple leaf. There's Queen Elizabeth there. $5, 2020. Another one I just had to have. I paid around the same for this one as I did the elephant. So 2 nice coins there. Now here is a 2-ounce coin, commemorative coin. And let me just adjust the light here a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better there. End of World War I, 1918 commemorative coin, 2 ounces. Nice frosted back there. Queen Elizabeth. How much is this worth? Let's see. $2, and this is a 2018 coin. Let you get another shot of end of World War I. Nice. Okay, Germania Mint. Okay, Germania Mint. I believe these are 1-ounce coins. Fine silver, 9999. I love the 4 nines. I don't know why, but I love the 4 nines. I bought 2 of these. 5 mark. Mark is the, I guess, the currency. 2019. Real nice coin. All these coins came in capsules already. Real nice coins. Love the detail. Woo! I got 2 of those. 2 of those. Okay. Now this one, we got more coming. I mean, real nice package, guys. I mean, I love what I got here, and like I said, we just getting started. We're going to continue to buy more silver, continue to unbox more silver, and continue to unbox more of my future. So definitely, if you liked the video so far, definitely just subscribe and watch other videos, and just support the vision, and interact with me, comment on my videos if you're doing the same thing, and in that same path, because I love to connect with people as well. This is a 2-ounce, let's see, White Horse of Hanover. Again, this is 4 nines as well, 2020. 2-ounce. Shiny. Yes, sir. Okay. Queen Elizabeth. Starting to like her a lot more. 5 pounds. It's kind of, I mean, it looks nice. 2 ounces is hefty. Nice, smooth side. Horse. That one didn't come in a capsule, but we'll get it in one. Okay. This one, I have a 2018 Krugerrand uncirculated, really nice, and this one's just a 2020. I just wanted to get another one of those. I love the Krugerrand. Just real nice. 2020. Okay. Let's just keep it going. Now that was the package from JM Bullion. Got some really nice stuff. If you like it so far, just comment. Let me know some of the stuff that you guys been getting. I've heard some bad reviews about both of these companies by just reading stuff online, but I haven't had anything bad happen to me. So I mean, comment, has anything bad happened to you guys? You know, any situations where you didn't receive the silver that you ordered. I've had nothing but pleasant experiences so far, and I'm sure you guys have too. But if you haven't, go ahead and comment. And this is from, again, Apmex. I got about 5 ounces from here as well. Just some coins that I've been just wanting for a while now. Nothing really too serious or crazy. I'm just gonna open this here. Real nice packages, snug. Let's see if these scissors here can do me some help. Man, gotta love it. Okay, we got some paperwork there. Let me make sure we get that out first. Okay, Apmex. Okay, now I feel like I got a really good deal on one of these coins from Apmex. Nothing else in the package. Really, really good deal. I'll just start with these. Let's see here. Okay, not working. Guess my hands are sufficient. These are the Australian Kangaroos. 2020, I bought 3 of these, 1 ounce, 9999. Like I said, I love the 4 nines. Fine silver. Queen Elizabeth. Nice. I got 3 of these, guys. I got 3 of these. And like I said, we'll just sit the other 2 to the side just to kind of save some time. But I got 3 of those. And this one, I think this is one of them. I don't think this one is the. Let's see if we can. Okay. Let's see what this one is. I don't even remember what this one is. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Year of the Dog. I forgot I ordered this one. Real nice coin. Glad to add it to the collection. Queen Elizabeth. $1, 1 ounce. Again, the 4 nines. 2018, already in the capsule. Much respect. Gotta have it. Year of the Dog. Okay, now this is the one. I can't believe this thing come in a capsule, but I've got one right here because this is the one I'm really excited about. Now this one was 38% discount on the current price of it. It is a Canadian maple leaf. Let's get this out the package. Oh, wow. Canadian maple leaf. Titanic Privy. Titanic. 2012. 4 nines again. Fine silver, 1 ounce. Titanic. Queen Elizabeth again. This coin was going for about 90 bucks or so online. And I got it for much cheaper than that. And so really happy that I got that one. Let's just kind of get some of this stuff over here once again and see what we got. Okay. Let's see. Fine silver. Fine silver. Let's see. Fine silver. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Kangaroo. Okay, I'm not gonna sit it all out there. Well, I guess I might as well. I ain't got much left. But here's pretty much what we got. This order, I spent about 500 bucks at both JM Bullion and Apmex. Got some really nice coins, some really nice deals. 17 more ounces that I just added to the stack there. I'm really happy about it. What do you guys think? Do you guys have any of these coins so far? Which one's your favorite coin out of all these? Kind of comment your ideas and what you think in the comment section. And let's talk about it. Let's see, my favorite coin, man, I gotta say, who knows? It's either the Titanic Privy or the Gilded Elephant. Let's have one more look at that one. Love it. So yeah, man, subscribe to us, guys. Comment your thoughts down below. Like the video if you did like it, and just continue to watch out for more videos. I'll definitely be buying more silver, and definitely be buying from different companies, and definitely be ordering online, because I know a lot of people in the comments and stuff like that be wanting to know what it's like to order online and stuff like that. So it's very safe, and you'll be continuing to get videos from me. So again, like, comment, and subscribe, and continue to keep up with the vision. Thank you. It's been Unboxing My Future, and we're signing out.